Find the common solution of linear equation x plus 5y is equals to 10 and 2x plus 3y is equals to 6.
And we have to just find their how many
solution.
Only one solution.
One solution which is common for both of them. This is quite tricky. Think
And
about
that
it.
satisfied. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that satisfies both the equation.
Okay.
Yes, everyone. I have given this particular question. Please do try. We'll be solving it together.
So,
Okay, let's check what is the common solution for the given linear equations. Okay, we are having two linear equations. This is this type of question I think you have not solved till now. Okay, and yeah, it's not there in your book, but let's try understanding how to do this type of question, because again the same chapter linear equation in two variable will be there in class 10. So here you must have the proper grip on this particular topic. Okay, so we are supposed to find a solution, like for the first linear equation in two variable, how many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions are there are so many points which will satisfy this equation. And for the second one, there are infinitely many solutions. Now we are supposed to find a solution which is the solution for the first one also, and which is the solution for the second one also. Such solution we are supposed to find. Okay, which is a common solution. Now for finding the common solution, what we can do, see what we can do. I'm going to show you something. See, here we can take 2x is equals to 6 minus 3y. Okay, basically x or y value you have to take it out from one of the equation, and you have to substitute it in the other equation. Why we are doing so? Because when we are having equation like 5x minus 2 is equals to 3x, this type of equation is solvable, because here one variable is there. But when we'll be having 5x minus 2 is equals to 3y, this is not solvable. Okay, we won't be able to solve it for a particular value of x and y. We won't be able. Okay, so both the equations are having two variables. We want to solve it and to get a specific solution. To solve it, basically we want this type of structure, the circled one, where only one variable must be there, either x x x or y y y. Okay, then only we'll be able to solve it. So what we are doing, we are going to do one arrangement. What we will do, we will take out x or y value from one of the equation, and we will substitute it in the other equation. By doing so, see, let's see carefully what we will be able to get. So 2x is equals to 6 minus 3y. I was about to take out x from here, then I realized that no, 2x is already there in the first equation, so why not to take 2x as it is and substitute it over here, 6 minus 3y. So basically we want to take out x from here, from the other equation, or maybe y from the other equation, and to substitute it in the first equation. But while doing so, I realized that 2x as it is from here, I am getting 2x, and there 2x is sitting. So let's take 2x from here and let's substitute it in the first equation. Okay. Once we will do so, you check it. You will end up having equation in one variable. Only y is there and it is solvable now. Previously, we were not able to solve it. 2x plus 5y, we were not able to add both of them. But now we are able to do the calculation and simplification. Everything just became one. So our purpose is very clear. Either we want to create only x or we want to create only y. How we will do so? One equation we are having which is not possible to solve. One help equation we are having. The help equation we will use. We will take out either x or y from there and we will substitute it in the first equation. Once you will do so, you will get such a expression, such a equation where only one variable will be there. Either x will be there or y will be there. Okay, once you will be writing it, see 6 minus 3y plus 5y is equals to 10 we are having. So far, are you having any confusion? Anyone?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Yes, sure. I'm telling you that initially, if you will look at this equation, 2x plus 5y is equals to 10. Is it possible to add 2x and 5y? Is it possible?
No.
No. We are not able to solve it. However, if I will make one example, Tejas, and I will give you 2x plus 5x is equals to 10, this we can solve it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So separately, we are not able to solve these two rectangular box equations. We are not able to solve. So what we will do, we are having one of the equation and we are having one more equation. So we are going to call that this is a help equation. It will help us solving the equation, getting the solution. Okay, this is a help equation. Now with the from the help equation we will take the help. What we will do, we will take out either x or y from this equation. So see, 2x is equals to 6 minus 3y. Can we write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
From here, let's take out x. X is equals to 6 minus 3y by 2. Can we write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's take this x and let's substitute it in the first equation. Okay, 6 minus 3y by 2. And at first 2 is. So far, is it
Okay.
clear?
Yes, ma'am. Got
What?
it.
Okay, why we are
Yes.
doing so? Now the question is why we are doing so. Something like this we have never ever done. So why we are doing so? So we are doing so that we can come to a specific solution. Okay. Now you just for now I would tell you that focus over here and see carefully why is there, why is there. It is possible to solve this equation now. Previously, it was not possible to solve it, but now we will be able to solve and take out the value of y. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. We can.
Now 2 and 2 gone, cancelled out. We are
Yes.
having 6 minus 3y plus 5y
Plus 5.
is equals to 10.
Yes.
Let's solve it. 6 minus 3y plus 5y will be plus 2y or minus 2y.
Ma'am, plus 2 by
Plus 2y
is equal
is
to 10.
equals to 10.
6
So
plus.
2y will be 10 minus 6, right?
Yes.
2y will be 4.
4. Y is equal to 2.
Y is equals to 2.
2.
We got y as a 2. Now, what is x? Because solution means x value and y value. So, what is x? So, let's take out x value. We can substitute this y value in any one of the equation, either the first one or the second one. You will be getting the same x value. Let me tell you, if you will substitute this y value in any equation. Suppose we are substituting y is equals to 2 in first equation. 2x plus 5y is equals to 10. 2x plus 5y is equals to 10. And you are saying that when y is 2, when y is 2, let's substitute it. 2x plus 5 into 2 is equals to 10.
Yes,
2x
ma'am. 2x
is
plus 10.
equals to
10
10
minus 10.
minus 10,
Yes, ma'am.
0. So x we are getting 2x we are getting 0 and x will be
Yes, ma'am.
0, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I told you that you can take out x value by substituting this y in any one of the equation. So let's check by substituting it in the second equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 6. Y we will be substituting to, x
Ma'am,
will
it's
be,
the same.
it's the same. That's why
Yes.
I told you that you can substitute it in any equation, you will be getting the same x value. Okay, and what is the common solution then? 0 comma 2 is the common solution.
Yes.
How we found this common solution? See, in class 10 this concept is there, in like in deeply you will be learning this concept. Okay, however, this question I have taken over here just for a little bit of understanding. You don't have to go that deeper. What we can do, one equation we cannot solve it, there are infinitely many solutions, but a specific, a particular x and y value we cannot say. Similarly, the other equation, there are infinitely many solutions, but if one, only one solution we have to talk about, we cannot be, we will not
Yes.
be able to say what is that is specific one and only one solution. We won't be able to say. Now
Yes.
we are trying to find a common a solution from infinitely many solution, one solution, and here also from infinitely many solution, one solution, so that both the solution will be exactly same, exactly same, both solution will be exactly same. Okay, so how we will figure it out? Shall we start guessing that x equals to 0, then what is y value?
No.
There also x equals to 0, then what is y value? Guessing may work, may not work. Okay, here maybe guessing like would have worked, but every time guessing will not work. So there is a process is, you take out x or y value from any one of the equation, either the second one or the first one, and substitute it in the other equation. So suppose you have taken out x from the second equation, that means you have to now substitute it in the first equation. If you will do so, you will end up having a equation having only one variable. Either x will be there or y will be there. Easily you will be able to solve it. Okay. Once we did so, we ended up getting this equation 6 minus 3y plus 5y is equals to 10. From here, easily we got y value. Very easy. Okay, this y value we substituted in one of the equation, the original given equation, either the first one or the second. You will be getting the x value, and that is the common solution. If you want to check, you check it. It will satisfy both the equation.
Yes, ma'am, it
0
is.
comma 2 is going to satisfy both the equation. So what is the common solution? 0 comma 2 is the common solution. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am, it is now.
Yes, Safia, Sazia, Farhan, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. However, this type of question you will not get that much in your book. But yeah, this concept again you will be learning in next class, where only this concept you will be learning, that how
Ma'am,
to find a common solution, how to find a specific solution. Yes,
ma'am,
Tejas.
could be this question could be asked in pre-boards.
In your yes, in your exam it will not come. In board exam, pre-board exam, yeah, it can come.
Okay.
Just a second. Find at least three solutions. of this equation. 3x plus 4y is equals to 18. Please do it now.
Okay.
This one you must be able to do it. Please do it and let me know
Mm.
what are the points you are getting.
Ma'am, for this, can I say the solutions?
Yes, Sazia, please.
0, comma 4.5, then 6, comma 0, and 2, comma 3.
Ma'am, this answer.
Yes, I'm check.
Ma'am, can be the point non-terminating, sorry, terminating?
Yes, it can.
Okay.
Yes, it is perfect,
Ma'am,
Sazia. Yes, Tejas.
first one I got is 0, comma 4.5. Third one I got 6.6, comma 0.
Yes. Next.
Third one I got the 3.33, comma 2.
3.33 comma.
2.
Yeah. Perfect. Yes, Safia. Farhan. Yes.
Ma'am, please scroll down to the
Ifra.
next question.
Ifra, what you got?
Can
I'm doing.
Please do it. 3x plus 4y is equals to 18 here.
Ma'am, interchanging means changing their places.
Yeah, changing their
Okay.
places.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got 2 and 3.
2 comma 3.
Yes.
And the first, like this is one solution. Here we are supposed to find at least 3 solutions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, perfect. This is perfect. 2, 3 is perfect.
Ma'am,
Yes, Tejas.
for the second question, can it be 44x plus 77y is equal to 6?
We will check it first. We will discuss it. Yes, Safia, what you got from the first one? 3 solutions we are supposed to find. Farhan, tell me first, then only I'll be starting the next one.
Ma'am, 0, 4.5,
Then,
6, 0,
yes.
then
Perfect.
5, 1.33.
5, 1.33 is not coming if x we are taking 5. So 3 into 5 plus 4y is equals to 18. 5 3 times 15, so 18 minus 15, 4y. 4y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3 by 4, which is not 1.33, right? Check it.
Ma'am, 0,
Saf,
0.75.
yes, exactly. Yes, this is one of the solution. Yes, perfect. Farhan, okay, let's discuss this one. Here the question says that patiently we'll be reading the question and we will try understand. Question says that 7 times a given 2-digit number. Okay, a 2-digit number is there. Okay, now let me give you few examples. When we are having a 2-digit number, for example 52, okay, we can write this 2-digit number as a 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Can we write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we write 52 as a 5 into 10 plus 2 into 1 in expanded form? Yes, we can write because 5 is at 10's place, 2 is at 1's place. So we can write it like this. Now 25. We have just reversed the place of the digit. 2 we are writing here and 5 we are writing here. It became 25, which can be written as 2 into 10 plus 5. Right?
Yes.
Right. Now the question is why we started discussing this all? Because if you will assume the 2-digit number, if you will assume a 2-digit number like xy, whoever will see the solution, they will think that you have multiplied x and y. But that is not true. We are not trying to multiply x and y, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हम लोग x और y को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम लोग तो एक 2-digit नंबर अज्यूम कर रहे हैं. और कैसे लिखे 2-digit नंबर? तो कुछ ऐसे ही लिखेंगे, ऑफ कोर्स एक्स वाई और मे बी वाई एक्स, ऐसा कुछ अज्यूम कर सकते हैं. बट ये तो कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है कि वी हैव डन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. That's why whenever we will assume 2-digit number, we will not write it in this format because whoever will check, they will misunderstand this one as a multiplication. It looks like x into y. Okay, y into x. It looks like that, but that is not true. When you are writing 2 number 5 2, nobody will say that it's in multiplication. 5 and 2 are in multiplication. Nobody will say. because we understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, 11 is there, 12 is there, 13 is there, 14 is there. This is how we write the number. Place values are there, and this is how we arrange the number. But with variable, we are not comfortable. We have never ever written something like this, and we have only written something like this when we want to represent x and y are in multiplication, right?
Yes, ma'am.
इसीलिए 2 डिजिट नंबर यहाँ पे अज्यूम करेंगे, तो एक्स वाई नहीं लिखेंगे, एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म लिखेंगे. We will be thinking in our mind that let's assume 2-digit number as a xy, but we will write it in our paper that our 2-digit number, let's assume 2-digit number x is at 10th place, so x into 10, and y is at 1's place. So this is what we will be writing on the paper rather than this one. In our mind we are assuming this one, but we are writing it for clarity. We are going to write it like x into 10 plus 5. Can we write it like this?
Can you explain it once again?
I said that 52 can be written as 5 into 10 plus 2. 75 can be written as 7 into 10 plus 5 according to their place value. 82 can be written as 8 into 10 plus 2. Okay. Then xy can be written as 10 into x plus y. Can we write it like this? Yes or no? Yes, we can write it like this. Basically, we are assuming a 2-digit number, but we will write it like this. Like this we will write it because this can create confusion. Why we will not write xy? Because xy का मतलब x into y कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है ये. That's why we will clear it that it is not x into y. It is 10 into x plus y. X is at 10th place, y is at 1's place. Is it crystal clear to everyone?
Yes, right.
Okay. So our 2-digit number is this 10 into x plus y. You can also call our 2-digit number is 10x plus y. Now let's read the question. 7 times a given 2-digit number. 7 times a given 2-digit number 10x plus y is our 2-digit number. Is equal to 4 times 4 into the number obtained by interchanging the digits. 4 times the number obtained by interchanging the digit. Now see, when we are interchanging the digit, what is happening? 52, 5 into 10 plus 2, it became 25. When you have just interchanged, writing the 1's place digit to 10's place and 10's place digit to 1's place, it became 25, which can be written as 2 into 10 plus 5. Right? Right? 82 can be written as 8 into 10 plus 2. But when we will interchange the digit, 1's place digit will sit at 10's place and 10's place digit will sit at 1's place. Then it will become 2 into 10 plus 8. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. This is how we are just interchanging the digit. Okay. Similarly, our 2-digit number was xy we have assumed, but to generate clarity we have written it as 10x plus y. Now when we will interchange it, it will be yx, and again we will make it more clear. It will be 10y plus x. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you getting it, students? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So previously 2-digit number was this. Now after interchanging the digit, it became this. This two we will be writing in our statement form, not this one and this one. This two we will be just thinking in our mind. The circle one, it's okay to think, okay, to understand, but the writing part will be the rectangular box one. जब भी आज के बाद से जब भी ऐसा कुछ वर्ड प्रॉब्लम आए जहाँ पे 2 डिजिट नंबर की बात हो, तो 2 डिजिट नंबर हम लोग ऐसे ही अज्यूम करेंगे. Okay, x is at tens place, y is at ones place, or maybe x is at ones place, y is at tens place, and in expanded form we will write our 2 digit number. We will not write it as a xy or yx. Xy and yx we will write when it says that the product of two number. The product of two number is 32. 32 or maybe 100 or maybe any number, then you will be writing xy is equals to 32. But whenever the question, the word problem will talk about 2 digit number, you are supposed to take 2 digit number like this rectangular box, so 10x plus y. Okay, and by interchanging the digit it will become 10y plus x. Clear? Is it crystal clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
By interchanging the digit, because in class 10 again this type of word problem will be there, and I start explaining this concept from the basic, the way I'm explaining you, same way I explain it over there, because the student don't know, student just don't know how to take 2 digit number, they always take xy. Okay, we have to take it like this according to their place value in expanded form. By interchanging the digit, the 2 digit number will become 10y plus x. Now let's see according to question what is written in the question. 7 times a given 2 digit number is equals to 4 times the number obtained by interchanging the digit. 7 times means multiplication. A given 2 digit number, 10x plus y we have assumed at first. Yes. Is equals to 4 times the number obtained by interchanging the digit, that means 10y plus x. This is our linear equation in two variables. Are we going to leave our answer like this? No. We will always arrange it in a standard form, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Please tell me what will be there in a standard form. When we will do the multiplication, we will apply the distributive property, we'll open the bracket, we'll do all the simplification. What will be the standard form? Please tell me.
Ma'am, so what should we do after this?
I'm asking you to arrange it in a standard form.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm waiting for you all to give me the answer. Please open the bracket, do the simplification and tell me
Ma'am,
exactly Tejas you asked.
66
Yes,
x minus 33 y is equal to 0.
equals to 0. Let's check.
Yes, ma'am.
70x
Same.
plus 7y is equals to 40y minus plus 4x. 70x minus 4x plus 7y minus 4. Yeah, this is our linear equation in two variable which we have created according to the given scenario. Is it crystal clear to all of you? Now this question can come in your exam. Okay, this is not something which you don't know. You just have to create a linear equation with the help of the given statement, and that type of question is there in your NCERT course. However, their question is very simple, that two oranges, three bananas we are just three mangoes we are buying, and how to represent it in linear equation in two variable. That is very simple, but this is a standard moderate question. Now the next is 5 year hence a man's age will be three times his son's age. Again, write a linear equation into. Let's do it together. Let's do it. So what we will do here, 5 year hence a man's age will be three times his son's age. Whenever age related question will be there, you always start your assumption with the present age. So we will start our assumption with the let's assume present age of man is X. Present age, अभी का age of man is X years, okay, and present age of his son is Y years. We will start our assumption with this. Let's assume that present age of man is X and present age of his son is Y. Now the statement says that 5 year hence a man's age will be 5 year hence. 5 year hence means 5 year later. 5 year later man's age. Question is talking about something 5 year hence a man's age. That means if you have assumed present age as a X, can you tell me after 5 year this X will become? Who will say?
Ma'am, 5 plus x plus 5.
Yes. 5 year hence, that means after 5 year man's age will be X year it was there. After 5 year it will be plus 5. Just like our age, after 1 year our age will be whatever age we are having now plus 1. After 2 year it will be whatever age we are having now plus 2. After 3 year it will be whatever age we are having now plus 3. Similarly, man will also age like that only, like our real world scenario. Now his son, what will be the son's age after 5 years? So 5 year hence, son's age will be, who will say? Age of son will be Y. Yes, Y will become Y plus 5. After 5 years, son's age will be y plus 5. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's read the question. 5 years hence, a man's age will be 3 times his son's age. So, 5 years hence, a man's age is x plus 5 will be, that is, will be equals to 3 times his son's age at that particular time. जब भी एज रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट एज से ही assumption स्टार्ट करेंगे. लेट्स assume that present age is this, present age is that. Now if the question is talking about 2 year like back, the age was that and all, we will be thinking about 2 years back, it will be x minus 2, y minus 2, like that. Are you understanding?
Instead of y, can we
Yes, Sazia, you want to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am. Instead of y, can we take x?
Both x, both x. Present is also x, and present age of man is also x, present age of his son is also x. Is it practical that I am a certain year age and my mother is also the same is of same age? Is it possible for anyone? No, right? So if you are assuming that the man's age is x, we must assume son's age as another variable z, k, p, t, y. Are you getting, Sazia? Oh, you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
say that, you want to say that can we take this x equals to 3y, like that?
Yes,
Like that?
ma'am.
That 5 year late 5 year hence man's age is x, 5 year hence for his son's age is y. Always start question solving age related question like this. It will be like this, will be more clear. It is not just x equals to 3y. Open the bracket, check it. It is not just x equals to 3y. Okay, 3y plus 15 we are generating over here. So age related question, we will always start with the assumption that what is the present age of man, what is the present age of son. Okay, directly we will not be, whenever we will be solving age related question, no, we will not, if the question is talking about 2 year back, so this was the scenario, so directly we will not assume, let's assume 2 year back the age of the person was that, the age of his son was that. No, we will always take the assumption keeping like in present, that let's say in present person's age is this, another person is this. With present only we'll be taking the assumption always. Are you getting my point? ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मेट है इस टाइप के
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन में assumption लेने के लिए. Why? Because here in this particular question, here both the things are 5 year hence. मतलब हम लोग मैन का एज भी 5 year hence, 5 साल के बाद मैन का एज, और 5 साल के बाद उस his son's age, both we are comparing after 5 year. But when you will be solving age related question, more question, in last and there is a chapter pair of linear equation in two variable, and there are word problem which you need to solve, so many word problem there. You will see age related question, and those age related question, let me check whether I can take any or not. Just give me 2 minutes, 2 more minutes.
Ma'am, is this class of 1 hour 30 minutes?
No, is this class is going to be over, teachers. Let me check whether I can
Okay,
take
ma'am.
one example or not, so that I can clear one thing. And yeah, there is no homework, there is no assessment. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
just a moment. Nobody is going to leave. I want to explain something.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, a question is like this. I told you know from class 10 PDF only I got this question. A girl is twice as old as her sister. 4 year hence, the product of their ages will be 160. From here, we'll be able to generate linear equation in two variable. Not only one, two equation we will be able to generate. So see carefully. यहाँ पे a girl is twice as old as her sister. A girl is there, okay, and sister is there. If you will take girl's age x, sister's age y, present age. Now again the same question like Sazia. Why we are taking present age as a x? Why not directly we can assume 4 year later girl's age is x and 4 year later sister's age is y? Why not we are taking like this? So थिंक अबाउट इट. यहाँ पे अभी की भी बात हो रही है और 4 year लेटर की भी बात हो रही है. मतलब अभी नाउ a girl is twice as old as her sister. A girl is 2 times as old as her sister. This is one of the equation. Okay, and the other equation, one more equation we will be able to generate from here. 4 year hence the product of their ages. That means 4 year hence the first girl age will be x plus 4, her sister age will be y plus 4,